One time I didn't have liquid nitrogen and we still got DNA out.
High school science teacher Kip Brady is teaching a class at Ohio University's Zanesville campus that is a little bit different from his usual classes. Instead of high schoolers in the seats, it's their teachers attending an Appalachian Ohio Tick Project workshop.
We basically do workshops for teachers. We teach them how to collect ticks, sample tick population density, things like that, and then how to extract DNA and test them for the pathogen that causes Lyme disease.
Using grant funding, the Tick Project provides all the equipment needed for students at schools across Ohio to collect and test their local tick populations. The DNA they collect then gets sent to a CDC lab for further analysis. So far, 8 schools in the state have joined the project. The hands-on learning students get from the project can even help students achieve an academic milestone.
My students and I have been collecting data, and now with some other schools gathering data, looking at habitat relationships between tick density and pathogen prevalence and stuff that will eventually be published.
That sense of accomplishment is a big part of why Kip says this program works.
Kids get to be empowered to be the teachers of their community, and communities become safer. They become more tick savvy, and they understand how they can prevent tick-borne illnesses.
For Newswatch, I'm Acker reporting in Zanesville.